In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use map view on monday.com, providing a comprehensive step-by-step guide to get you started with this practical feature. First, you'll need to prepare your board by adding a location or country column. So, go ahead and open the board containing the items you want to visualize on a map. Ensure that you add a location column to include an address, city, or country for each item. The map view will read these locations from your columns, enabling you to see your data visually. For accurate pin placement, it's recommended to input a full address, including the street, city, and postal code. Some users prefer to enter coordinates directly, which is another viable option for precision. Next up, let's add the map view to either your board or dashboard. If you're working on a board, click on plus add view at the top, search for map, and then add it. Alternatively, if you prefer a dashboard, you need to either open an existing one or create a new dashboard. Click on add widget, then more widgets, search for map, and add the map widget to your dashboard. Now let's configure what your map will display. Select which boards and location or country columns the map should pull from. When using dashboard widgets, you have the flexibility to show locations from multiple boards. Pins on your map are automatically colored according to the board group they belong to, offering a visual way of distinguishing between different categories or projects. Interacting with the map is intuitive. By clicking on a pin, you'll access a pop-up showing the item's details, such as the item name and configured fields. From this pop-up, you can choose to view item and make edits without needing to switch views. Additionally, the new item button in map view allows you to create and fill a new row directly from the map. If you need to filter, group, and zoom for more specific insights, utilize the map's filtering options. This will enable you to display only certain categories like region, status, or the assigned person. Zooming into clusters can help inspect multiple nearby items and delve deeper into results if several items share the same address. Using the map view can also be enhanced with mirror and sub-items. The map widget supports data from these elements, allowing you to display addresses stored in a connected board. Should you encounter any issues with mirrored columns, checking the mirror or connection settings is advisable. Automations and workflows are invaluable for keeping your location data up to date. For example, setting up automations like when location changes notify owner can keep your data organized and actionable. It's worth noting there are some known limitations with the built-in map view. Users have requested features like multiple locations per item or enhanced pin customization. For these advanced needs, you might consider third-party map integrations such as Mapsly or MapView Pro, which provide greater mapping capabilities and functionality. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to using MapView on monday.com, helping you visualize your project's data efficiently and effectively.